This 2013 Cadillac XTS is brought to you by Ultimate Auto Sales and Repair. Child safety door locks, 4WD, AWD, automatic load leveling, electronic brake assistance, limited slip differential, traction control, vehicle stability control system, second row side airbag, electronic parking aid, trunk anti-trap device, remote ignition, separate driver, front passenger climate controls, tachometer, heated steering wheel, leather steering wheel mounted controls, telescopic steering column, genuine wood trim, tire pressure monitor, trip computer, AM, FM radio, voice-activated telephone, telematic system, front cooled seat, front power lumbar support, passenger multi-adjustable power seat, second row folding seat, second row heated seat, cargo net, automatic headlights, daytime running lights, high-intensity discharge headlights, front air dam, power trunk lid, chrome wheels, electrochromic exterior rear view mirror, heated exterior mirror, electrochromic interior rear view mirror, interval wipers, rain sensing wipers. Visit us at ultimateautosalescny.com.